Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to show you guys my new cordless vacuum cleaner. I am in love with it. It does come packaged very nicely. Once you get everything unboxed and unpackaged, anything that comes with the battery, I do like to go ahead and charge it up because 9 times out of 10 it's not fully charged when you get a package. So I went ahead and plugged that up so it can get to 100%. But when it is at 100%, you'll get 70 minutes of runtime, which I think is immaculate. That is so great for a cordless vacuum cleaner. And you can also charge it from the dock, but we'll get into that later. Take off all of the plastic film. I went ahead and plugged this into the main part of the vacuum cleaner because usually everybody uses this part, the most. So this is the slim service tool, and then you get a 2-in-1 combo brush. You can use this 2-in-1 combo brush for literally everything. I'll show you guys how I use it around my home. So I did want to go ahead and start off with the main versatile brush set. So once you put in the filter, it's a lock and unlock motion. Put that on, plug that in, and then right here it stands alone, so you just put your foot right there. It's a little foot icon so you can know where to push it, and then you can just push it up and down, and then it'll stand alone as well. So we're going to go ahead and go into my baby boy's room, and we're going to vacuum his floor so I can show you guys how this works and how loud it is. So as you can see in here, it is very powerful. So it do have 3 manual modes on this cordless vacuum. Level 1 is just for daily hardwood floors. Level 2 is for crushing crumbs. And level 3 is for like pet hair and any heavy duty. So they do have an auto mode. On auto, I just kept it on auto. As you can see the different colors. So the green is just level 1. When it went to that kind of orangish color, that was level 2. And then when it went to red, that's level 3. And it'll pick up on how heavy or light the duty is. So you'll see in a minute, I'm going to test it in the kitchen, but right now since it was a rug, it kind of went between level 1 and 3. So I love that it picks up all the dust. When I tell y'all, I can't remember the last time I swept under my baby's crib, and as you can see with this light at the front, I love that it's a light up there so you can see all the dust, grime, hair, anything like that. So I zoomed in so you can see how it sucks up every dust particle. I absolutely love it. This thing is so strong. So at first I didn't know that you can readjust the level, so I was down there bending down so far trying to get under the crib. I didn't know that you can pull out the basically handle extender. So I still bent down just so I could see, but I don't have to bend down as far to try to get under there. So this was everything that was in my baby boy's room. It don't even look like all of that stuff was in there, but yes, it was. So you just push that little button and then it'll pop out and everything will fall down. So like I was telling you how it'll switch between different modes to pick up crumbs and things as pet hair. So I put down oatmeal and I put down some rice, and we're going to put this to the test. So as you can see, you only have to do 1 pass, and with that 1 pass, it'll pick up every single thing that you're going over. So for instance, the oatmeal that I put on the floor, the rice that I put on the floor, if you have kids and they're spilling stuff, if you have dogs like me, my dogs don't shed, but if your dog shed, it'll pick up all the pet hair, just any and everything, it picks it up and gets it. This is so amazing. And then I also love the wide 10.5-inch anti-tangle V brush. It allows it to not get any type of hair, anything tangled in the brush when I showed you earlier. I'll give you a close-up of that in a second as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the second attachment head. This is the slim cervic tool. I like to use this for those tight corners and couches. So under the couch, no, this is not under my couch. I just put in some oats just to show you guys how strong this is. It doesn't matter how big or small the crumbs are, it's going to get it out. And I did want to go ahead and let you hear this as well, but the suction is really, really strong and it gets up everything. So I do have a cloud modular couch, and right here what I'm showing you guys is a feather. My couch has white feathers in it, and I swear I just see feathers all day. And this is hair, so when my boyfriend gets a haircut or anything, he just sheds like a dog, honestly. So I like to use the 2-in-1 combo brush for my couch as well, but for the top of the couch, it gets all of the little bitty loose pieces of hairs that come like from his chin or his head up. And then whenever I do find those, of course I can just throw the freaking feathers scissors away, but it is easier just to vacuum everything up as they come out, and it just makes it 10 times easier. So I really do love this attachment head. Sometimes I'll use it for like curtains as well. You can use it for like your computers, for the dust, just anything like that, but it is my favorite tool to use on my couch, on the top surface of it. And then I'll use the slim tool for inside of the couch because it gets everything out of the nook and the crannies. And then just like previously, you're just going to pop it open, and this is the brush that I was telling you about. So I really love that it came with this brush. It allows you to get all of the dust and the particles and stuff out, and my last vacuum cleaner did not come with anything like that, so this is a helpful tool. That little pointy piece right there is what I was telling you about. The vacuum does have an anti-tangle V brush, but right here sometimes you can see a little bit of hair on it, so that basically just breaks it up, and then you can just immediately get it out. But the bristles are so soft. So overall, I rate this vacuum a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I love it. And the LED is definitely my favorite part, in that it displays the battery life and everything. So everything will be down below in the description box. They're linked to their Amazon storefront and their official website. They are running a coupon code right now on Amazon, so don't forget to check that out and apply it at checkout. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Bye guys.